Hello my dear students, myself Probir Mondal. Welcome to my channel, only educational institution where students learn. Today I am going to discuss about the most important topic for class 10 and 12. Today's topic is a report writing of massive earthquake of Turkey and Syria. It is the most important topic for this year. So let's start our video without any further delay. Title: Massive Earthquake of Turkey and Syria, February 7, 2023. A mighty earthquake took place in Turkey's Gaziantep province. It was near the Syrian border. It was reported that more than thousands of people died and uncountable people were injured. It was the most devastating earthquake in history. The measurement of the earthquake in Richter scale was 7.8. The tremors from this earthquake were felt across the whole areas. The areas were Israel, Iraq, Lebanon, and Jordan. According to the news agency, the earthquake was followed by a series of aftershocks. In this time, India stood beside them with relief material. India also sent NDRF team, rescue team, trained dogs, and medical equipments. The death toll crossed 20,000. Still, rescue operation is going on. Many other countries came forward to help them. The president of Turkey said that the country's flag will fly half-mast till February 12 inside the nation and in foreign representation. That's all for today's topic. Bye bye. May God bless you. I want to repeat again, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share to get new videos. That's all.